Founders! Welcome back to our channel!
Besh, social distancing is so real in our setup, huh?
Yes, Besh. It affected us in so many forms.
Now, let's wander na lang muna in the kitchen. So for today's vlog, we are going to show you how to make a homemade coffee frappe.
It's so easy to prepare, guys. Watch this. We used Monk's Blend Arabica and Robusta Premium Coffee ground. Get a spoonful of it. Depends how strong you want your coffee. Mix it well. Compared with hot brew, cold brew has a low acidity and bitterness. It also has a smooth and sweeter taste. Then, cover the container. Then, let's cold brew the coffee. Let's put it in the fridge for 8 hours. At last, 8 hours already. Let's put the cold brew coffee into the blender. Add almond breeze milk and Alaska condensed milk. Then stir it. Then Nestle cream. Then blend until it creates a foamy texture. This is expensive in some coffee shop, so making it at home would save you a lot of money. And that's it, our own version of coffee frappe.